get out there and get cooking.
I mean, you didn't even say like happy holidays or anything.
Oh, we didn't say happy holidays.
It's
Happy holidays.
It's a whole Christmas thing.
Yeah. Hang on, one more. Hi, welcome back to Cooking with the Keesters. I'm Jared.
Jude here. Harvey here.
And today we are making meringue treats.
Christmas trees.
Christmas treats or trees?
T-R-E-E.
Tree. Humidity is a real issue for meringue cookies, and being Oklahoma, that really limits you to winter to be able to make these. To minimize stickiness on humid or rainy days, allow the meringues to cool in a turned-off oven for an additional hour for a total of 2 hours. How many minutes is that?
60... 120?
120, very good. 60 plus 60 is 120. What's 6 plus 6?
12. So, put a 0.
Put a 0. Okay. It's probably not how they want you to do it at school, but that's how I think about it. Upper middle and lower middle positions. Is that here? Upper middle and lower. Bake. 2, 2, 5. Start. In a stand mixer, fitted with the, what's this thing called?
Spencer.
This part.
Spencer.
A whisk. Harvey, you are on salt duty. 1/8 teaspoon, but we're gonna double it. So instead of 1/8, we're gonna have
2/8.
2/8 or a 1/4.
Sugar.
Wait, flatten it out, man. There you go. Kind of do like this. Alright, every time eat the salt.
Yummy.
There we go. 1.
Oh. What
Oh
is
boy,
that?
we're gonna double 3/4. That's
From
tricky.
sprouts.
So that's 6/4, which is 1.5. Math. Here, I'll pour on you.
201, 202, 203.
1. You get a chemistry degree and you'll get really good at pouring stuff. Woo! Touchdown! Did you guys smell that vanilla? Smell it. Now, what else you learn in chemistry? You waft things. Waft.
How do you waft?
Like this. You bring the air to you.
But that one won't fit in the
That
cup.
one's not going to fit, is it? What good is that?
So we're gonna need 2 of these.
Ugh. Wait, I can pour it. Here we go. Yeah.
Okay, whatever.
Yeah, here we go.
What?
It looks like a snow mountain right now, right? Give it a little. Oh, yeah. 1.5.
Oh, sugar.
There's like this sugar mist in the air. Woo!
Oh, slime. Oh.
Got it.
The pee-pee comes out of the
There
egg.
you go.
The egg comes out of the
In a stand mixer, fitted with the
whisk.
Beat the egg whites. Let's lock and load. Hey, quit ducking around.
High speed.
Oh, it's going so fast. When I pull it out, it should make like a little mountain that then will fall over. That's a soft peak. Okay? So we are not there yet. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo. Oh yeah, that's soft.
Can I lick it?
No. It's got cornstarch in it. Okay. You ready? Oh, that's looking great. So now, we increase the speed to high. Crank it. Nice. So glossy and white. Okay, you ready?
Yeah,
That's pretty glossy.
That's
I have
really
one more.
Ready? Cheers.
Like it just got smashed by a
Cheers. Here we go. Ready?
Oh no. So good. So good. You're so good.
Now, can you guys describe the texture?
It tastes just like cookies.
Yeah.
I linked cookies.
The one I got is a little chewy. It's not quite melting in my
too.
mouth. So the little ones I feel like are,
Or yeah, there.
yeah, little ones are perfect. What? Well,
We're never gonna stop. Sorry.
boy, they are.
I'm never gonna stop chewing this.
Once you pop, you can't stop. This was a very educational.
Kind of successful.
Well, from our house to yours, we wish you a very happy holiday season. We hope you get to spend time with your family, and maybe you guys can try and take a crack at the meringue cookies and have a bit more success than we did.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, and as always, get out there and get cooking.
It was too busy to
Too busy.